How to save or export files in Audacity. To begin, I imported an audio. Here I delete a part of the audio. Let's say I want to work on this audio some other time. I can save this Audacity project, open it, and work on it. To do that, go to File, Save Project, and click on Save Project As. Navigate to a location you want to save it and save it with OP3 format. Now I can close this project and open the project that I just saved and work on it. Now let's say I finished working on this project, and it's time to export and share it. Go to File, Export Audio. Set a name, location, and format for the file and change properties based on your needs, and click on Export button. Now I have this WAV file which I can share with others and listen to. And I have this OP3 file which I can open in Audacity and work on it. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.